How to cheat Pearson Vue proctored exam. Hey, welcome to CertGoat. Today we're going to explore how to cheat Pearson Vue proctored exam. If you are looking to cheat Pearson Vue, then this video is going to be the best answer for all the questions in your mind. Many people search on internet about On Vue test cheating and they don't find any relevant content about Pearson Vue cheat. I've also seen the similar questions on social media like Pearson Vue cheating Reddit or Pearson Vue online proctoring Reddit. So in this video, we're going to discuss in detail Pearson Vue proctored exam cheating. What is Pearson Vue proctored exam? A Pearson Vue proctored exam is an online assessment supervised by a live proctor who monitors the exam. These exams are conducted remotely, allowing candidates to take their tests from any location. The proctor monitors the exam through the candidate's webcam and screen sharing technology. This method offers flexibility and convenience, making it a popular choice for certification and licensure tests across various industries. Which certification exams are proctored on Pearson Vue? Many of the certification exams are proctored on the Pearson Vue. This includes CompTIA, Cisco, Microsoft, and AWS. It also covers professional certifications for project management, like PMI, finance, like CFA, and healthcare, like NCLEX for nursing. So if you're looking for help in any of these certification exams, then you're going to explore in the next section how it is possible to cheat Pearson Vue to pass these certifications without any hectic studies. How to cheat with Pearson Vue? As technology is advancing, the methods of cheating on any proctored software is getting harder day by day. Today, it is not possible to cheat on Pearson Vue by old tricks like using mobile phones or tiny notes during the exam. The more advanced technology needs more advanced ways of cheating on any proctored exam. Nowadays, the only possible way of cheating is by technical expert method. In this method, a custom software is installed in test taker device to remotely control it. Then an expert can solve the exam for test taker remotely by putting the right answers. How to get help in On Vue cheating? If you are looking for help in any certification exam that is proctored on Pearson Vue, then CertGoat is the best option. CertGoat is working from last 4 years to help people in their certification exams. If you want to get help, you can simply contact at certgoat@gmail.com, or you can fill the help request form link given in the video description. Is cheating on Pearson Vue is safe? Yes, cheating on Pearson Vue is safe by technical expert method, because in technical expert method, the custom software installed can't be detected by any proctoring software, so it's 100% safe and secure, and there is no chance of being caught in this method. Thanks for watching this video.